Nginibingelele nginamukele kuyona i-channel uma usha ngiyocela ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe uphinde ke ulike le video. Lana ke bafethu ngiphathela udouble thinta ke uSotheni who is a former member of the South African Police Service SAPS in Elite ilaphana ke kuyona ke special task force. We've seen throughout ke on social media platforms that he was arrested in March 2026 for allegedly assassinating one of the wheels blowers laphana ke Van der Merwe. So the key details of this case ahamba kanjena. The victim lana ke sikhuluma ngaye uyena ke Van der Merwe ebesimazi kakhulukazi ngo-witness D at the Madlanga Commission of Inquiry, who was a security specialist and a former EMPD officer. He had recently testified about police corruption and the 2022 murder of Emmanuel Mpenze. So the incident laphana ke Van der Merwe is that he was killed in a drive by shooting outside his home in Brakpan laphana ke ngoDecember mhla 5 2025. So la ama charges abhekene nawo uSotheni. He appeared in the Brakpan Magistrates Court on the 16th of March 2026 facing charges of premeditated murder, conspiracy to commit murder, 3 counts of attempted murder and unlawful possession of a firearm and ammunition. Laphana ke uma ke sibheka ngokwe background la kaSotheni, he joined lapha umbutho wamaphoyisa ngo-2005 and the special task force in 2010. The state reportedly spent over 1 million on his training as a highly skilled marksman and a sniper. He resigned off at the SAPS in 2019 and worked as a private bodyguard most recently for a wealthy family in Houghton. Police believe he was hired for the hit due to his professional expertise. Uma ke siqhubeka nalo daba siye sambona ke lapha kwi-appearance yasenkantolo laphana ke i-bail hearing yakhe futhi ke ilindele ke ukuthi ke iyenzeke mhla ka-25 March 2026, of which it was postponed, postponelwe leyo date. Anyways bafethu, do comment on the section down below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also like this video.